Table tennis, or ping pong, is seen as a greatly played-out ball game usually composed of one or two or perhaps four opponent players. The bold record dated decades back, so it has developed into a well-known recreation round the centuries. Today referred to be the Earth's most performed paddle sport. The game is generally played out making use of table, then the aim of every battler shall be to whack the table tennis ball backwards and forwards while using a racket, often known as a racket and bat. It will need power, speed, along with general know-how and even ways of the game, and probably the most main expertise that one ought to learn once mastering table tennis will be the way of clasping table tennis racket. At the beginning of trying out, you will see that truly difficult to carry out appropriate grasp, but with regular exercise, at least one are likely to grasp that talent. So, to help you additionally, here are some tips method accurately proper grip a table tennis racket and ace this sport. Find out how to grip the racket properly. Practicing a good clasp is necessary since it adjusts the exact angle on the table tennis racket, which manage the rate, way, distance off the ground, and rotation of your ball. Shake hand grip. The specific hold is used by quite a few professional as well as pastime players. These have two versions, a shallow grip and a deep grip. Typical execution will be to hold the racket just as if you were shaking somebody's palm. For the shallow shake hand grip, have one's thumb position on the holder, not the particular rubber. Extend one's own index finger along the bottom part in the racket, and enable most of this fingers hold the handle because the grip will be loose. This position allows for even more versatility as well as energy, thus increasing your rotation you can apply to ball. With a deep shake hand grasp, let your own thumb relax within the rubberized area of the bat, and hold closer to your blade or the head. The index finger is extended to the bottom level of your paddle, and the remaining fingers grip the particular handle. This grip makes more appropriate strikes and moves. Pin hold. There are numerous versions for this grasp. The common hand position is a lot like when a person holds the pen, as the name implies. The regular Chinese grasp requires the thumb as well as index finger to hold your handle at the blade, and the other fingers are put of the blade. The Japanese/Korean grasp is similar to the first one, however the other three fingertips behind the blade usually are extended out, possibly close up jointly or wide apart instead of the curled style from the classic Chinese grip. In the actual reverse pin hold backhand grip, the actual fingers are situated exactly the same as that of the more common Chinese grip. The difference can be a chance to use the back of the particular blade for backhand shots. Like any other sports activities, understanding the principle of the game is essential and will greatly influence your sport effectiveness. With ping pong, mastering how to effectively grip the actual table tennis racket is the vital thing in order to win in the overall game. Do you feel the need of your own ping pong sports activity to go the distance? Get good at the holding varieties earlier mentioned.